This is your number. This is your number.
C'est ton numéro. C'est ton numéro.
This is a car. This is a car.
C'est une voiture.
This is my book. This is my book.
C'est mon livre.
This is a good boy. This is a good boy.
C'est un bon garçon.
This is not my problem. This is not my problem.
Ce n'est pas mon problème.
This is not his fault. This is not his fault.
Ce n'est pas sa faute.
This is not her boyfriend. This is not her boyfriend.
Ce n'est pas son petit ami.
That city is occupied. That city is occupied.
Cette ville est occupée.
That is new. That is new.
C'est nouveau.
That is mine. That is mine.
C'est à moi.
That was your best friend. That was your best friend.
C'était ton meilleur ami.
That was my first day. That was my first day.
C'était mon premier jour.
This was my last email. This was my last email.
C'était mon dernier courriel.
This was not able to join. This was not able to join.
Cela n'a pas pu se joindre.
These chocolates are delicious. These chocolates are delicious.
Ces chocolats sont délicieux.
These are girls. These are girls.
Ce sont des filles.
These shoes are too small. These shoes are too small.
Ces chaussures sont trop petites.
Those are mine. Those are mine.
Ce sont les miens.
Those flowers are beautiful. Those flowers are beautiful.
Ces fleurs sont belles.
Those boys are not good. Those boys are not good.
Ces garçons ne sont pas bons.
Those people were not good. Those people were not good.
Ces gens n'étaient pas bons.
This week is a holiday. This week is a holiday.
Cette semaine est un jour férié.
That school will be opened soon. That school will be opened soon.
Cette école sera bientôt ouverte.
This mobile will be delivered today. This mobile will be delivered today.
Ce mobile sera livré aujourd'hui.
This hospital is going to close. This hospital is going to close.
Cet hôpital va fermer.
These were empty. These were empty.
Ceci était vide.
That is not available. That is not available.
Ce n'est pas disponible.
I need to go home. I need to go home.
J'ai besoin de rentrer chez moi.
I need to go home.
Who told you that? Who told you that?
Qui t'a dit ça?
Who told you that?
I knew that from my boss. I knew that from my boss.
Je l'ai su par mon patron.
I knew that from my boss.
Do you know this? Do you know this?
Est-ce que tu sais ça?
Do you know this?
I don't know. I don't know.
Je ne sais pas.
I don't know.
I suppose so. I suppose so.
Je suppose que oui.
I suppose so.
You're right. You're right.
Tu as raison.
You're right.
I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
J'ai tort.
I'm wrong.
I disagree. I disagree.
Je ne suis pas d'accord.
I disagree.
Same as always. Same as always.
Comme toujours.
Same as always.
I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
Désolé, je ne peux pas.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Let's agree on something. Let's agree on something.
Mets-toi d'accord sur quelque chose.
Let's agree on something.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
Je sais ce que tu veux dire.
I know what you mean.
Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture.
Prenons une photo.
Let's take a picture.
Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun.
Amusons-nous.
Let's have some fun.
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît?
Can you repeat that, please?
I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Je ne veux pas y aller.
I don't want to go.
I want to talk with you. I want to talk with you.
Je veux parler avec toi.
I want to talk with you.
Everything is ready. Everything is ready.
Tout est prêt.
Everything is ready.
I'm sorry, I am busy. I'm sorry, I am busy.
Je suis désolé, je suis occupé.
I'm sorry, I am busy.
Let's change the subject. Let's change the subject.
Changeons de sujet.
Let's change the subject.
I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late.
Désolé pour le retard.
I'm sorry for being late.
What's the plan? What's the plan?
Quel est le plan?
What's the plan?
I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job.
Je cherche un emploi.
I'm looking for a job.
That's a tough one. That's a tough one.
C'est difficile.
That's a tough one.
Let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Faisons une pause.
Let's take a break.
I need your help. I need your help.
J'ai besoin de ton aide.
I need your help.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Que veux-tu dire?
What do you mean?
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Cela a du sens.
That makes sense.
I see what you mean. I see what you mean.
Je vois ce que tu veux dire.
I see what you mean.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
Ce n'est pas juste.
That's not fair.
It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal.
Ce n'est pas grave.
It's not a big deal.
I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you.
Je compte sur toi.
I'm counting on you.
You can do it. You can do it.
Tu peux le faire.
You can do it.
Take a chance. Take a chance.
Tente ta chance.
Take a chance.
One step at a time. One step at a time.
Un pas à la fois.
One step at a time.
Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything.
Merci pour tout.
Thanks for everything.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Je crois en toi.
I believe in you.
I think it's very good. I think it's very good.
Je pense que c'est très bien.
I think it's very good.
You can't miss it. You can't miss it.
Tu ne peux pas le manquer.
You can't miss it.
That's a relief. That's a relief.
C'est un soulagement.
That's a relief.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Ce n'est pas ma faute.
It's not my fault.